If your wrist hurts after long hours on the computer, your mouse might be the reason. Most people are very aware of their keyboard setup, but they forget about the mouse. Make sure you watch to the end because this is the position that I teach my patients and it helps them reduce their wrist pain. First, you have to keep your mouse close to the body. You don't want your mouse to be far away from you. You want to keep it as close to your body and as straight as it can be from your shoulder. Then your wrist should stay straight. You don't want bending your wrist upwards or sideways. And the mouse should be the same level as your keyboard, not higher. And this is one thing that a lot of people don't realize. You have to move your mouse with your arm, not with your wrist. If you're using a laptop, consider using a separate mouse and keyboard so you can keep everything in the right position. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider supporting me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the thumbs up button. The ideal wrist angle should be slightly downward. This means that your forearm is either same level or slightly higher than your hand. This angle reduces the pressure on the carpal tunnel and keeps blood flowing properly. That's why you'll see a lot of wrist rests for the mouse are slightly higher. You can use a wrist rest or a pad for your mouse to keep your wrist in that angle. Simple changes like this can mean a world of difference if you're on your computer for a long time. For the best position for your wrist when typing, watch the next video.